Hi guys, and today I'll show you how to create a simple Minecraft launcher on Python. So first, create your main Python file, and after that, import these three libraries. Then create two inputs about a nickname and a version about game. After that, create a directory for a game and then comment to use this directory. After that, create options for your launcher. And after that, create a command to start your launcher and then create a command to run all your code. Finally, run a code, enter your name, enter your version, wait a minute. Here we go. The game is working. So now you can play the game and see you soon. Bye.